Good morning, Mom. My name is Maya. How can I help you? Hello, Maya. I'm Gustari. Do you have any room available? Excuse me, Mr. Gustari. I checked in person. We have 2 rooms available, Superior and Deluxe. So which one do you want to book? I'll get the Superior one. Okay then. How many nights would you like to stay, Mr. Gustari? I'll book for 2 days. Do you want a breakfast or dinner? I take the breakfast. All night, ma'am. That will be booked. Do you want to pay now or later? I pay now with credit card and here my ID card. Okay, ma'am. And please fill this form and sign here. Here you go. Thank you, Mr. Gustari. And here is your case. Your room will be 304 and you can use the elevator in the lab and the 3rd floor. For your information, the restaurant will be in the 4th floor and we have a pool in the rooftop. The breakfast will be served at 7 a.m. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Good morning, Mrs. Is there anything I can do to help you, Mom? Yes, I had some complaint about my room. What is it, Mrs.? I just checked in earlier, but the water faucet in my bedroom is not functioning properly. If I may know, what room number do you stay, Mom? In 305. Okay, Mom. Can I check your bedroom? Of course. It looks like the drainer in the trouble. We apologize for the inconvenience. Because of this, instead will be replace your room with a new and with a comfortable room. Thank you for the response to the complaint. I really appreciate this service. It's our job to make cows comfortable stay here. Please wait a moment, Mom. I will get the key from your new room and after that you can move to the new room. Okay, I wait. Thank you for kindness, Mom.